I chose UNI for the most generic answer. I stepped on campus and knew it was home, and I've been so lucky to feel like I'm thriving here and flourishing here because I've been given so many great opportunities, so I really can't imagine myself anywhere else. I love the versatility that the major brings, whether it's through experiences or internships or the classwork or the different pathways you can take with it. It applies anywhere, and it's always necessary, and it's always going to be something that we need, and you can pair it with anything.
The faculty members in communication and media are constantly looking at what are people needing in their jobs and in their careers and in our workplaces, whether that's in the state of Iowa, nationally, or even globally. We want you to become better speakers, better critical thinkers, better writers, better digital producers, content creators. We want you to increase those levels of skills, but also find joy in doing that. The really exciting thing about our students is they leave our program with the ability to thrive in a variety of industries. You can move into the nonprofit world, you can move into the corporate world, you can move into education, you can move into counseling, and it's really exciting to know that when you major in communication and media, that the world is your oyster.
UNI as a whole, and even just the communication and media department, have so much to offer every single student that walks into the department and really immerses themselves into the study. And just the amount of opportunities are endless, whether it's for the next step of more schooling or an internship or a job. Whatever it may be, UNI and the communication and media department are well equipped to give every single student a success outcome.